In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details on Zoho Invoice in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up invoices for the first time or updating your details, this simple guide will help ensure your payment information is correctly displayed on your invoices. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this space as it serves as the hub for all of your accounting activities in Zoho. Next, head over to the gear icon, often labeled as Settings. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of customizable options. Navigating through these settings is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you have control over every aspect of your invoicing process. From the settings menu, look for an option that says Customization and go ahead and click on it. Customization is one of the best features of Zoho Invoice, allowing you to tailor your documents to suit your business's branding and information needs. Now you'll need to click on PDF templates. Here, your task is to choose which of your existing templates you would like to modify to include your bank details. Once you've selected the template, click on Edit. The edit feature is robust yet intuitive, providing a simple way to ensure all necessary information is present and correct on your invoices. On the left hand side of the editing page, you will see various options. What you're looking for here is Other Details. Click on it and this will take you to the section of the template where you can input additional information such as your bank details. Once you're in the correct section, look for the option to add your bank details. It should be clearly marked, making it simple for you to spot. Clicking it will open up a form where you can enter your bank information. Here it's crucial to input the correct details, so double check all the information you provide to ensure accuracy. After you've added your bank details, it's time to preview the template to see how your changes look. Click on Preview to view your updated invoice format. Seeing the invoice as your clients will see it helps you catch any errors and make necessary adjustments before finalizing. Once you're completely satisfied with how everything looks, locate the Save button, typically positioned at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking Save locks in all your changes, ensuring that your bank details are correctly formatted and ready to be a part of your outgoing invoices. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add bank details to your Zoho invoice. Following these steps ensures that you provide your clients with accurate and professional invoices, making the payment process seamless. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.